Hello everyone. So in this lockdown period, I've done a few models on my previous videos of Pythagoras theorem and air pollution absorber. So today, I'm here with a different video on English, that is figures of speech. I've done this model with the idea of best out of waste. I've used leftover cardboard pieces for the base and the cardboard roll of book binding paper as the main materials, and other attractive materials like color paper and glitter foam sheets. So this is how our model works. It appears to be like a rolling slide. In this there are two displays. The first display is the heading and the second display is the definition. A figure of speech is a phrase or word having different meanings. In this model I've used three figures of speech. They are simile, metaphor and personification. So as and when I roll down, simile appears. Here comes the heading and the definition. A simile is a comparison of two things using like or as. And the next slide is the example. An example of a simile is he is as bright as the sun. The second slide is metaphor. A metaphor is a word or phrase applied to an object or action to which it is not literally applicable. Here comes the next slide, which show the examples of metaphor. She is a walking dictionary is an example of metaphor. The third slide is about personification. Here comes the heading of personification, followed by its definition. A word that gives human or person-like qualities to something that is not a person is called personification. The wind whistled throughout the day is an example of personification. And finally, this is a working model which shows figures of speech. And thank you.